Hello class! So far in science we've been doing a little bit of work in our science journals. In this class we're going to do an activity to make our journals more personal so that each of our covers looks like something we want it to look like.
Hi everybody, it's Eric, your science teacher. In today's lesson we're going to decorate our journals to make them ours so that nobody gets our journal mixed up with somebody else's, and so our journals become something very personal which we can go back to and find throughout the year. So throughout the classroom you're going to see many photographs and pictures kind of like these, and you're going to choose a photograph that you like the best. Please look at all of the photographs first and then go back and choose one or two only that you're going to use for your journal. Now, I have this great big poster, and even though I like all of them, clearly they're all not going to fit. So I'm going to choose the biggest one I can find that will fit on my journal. Here's how it'll work. I'm going to choose this great big bumblebee in the middle here. And when I choose it, I'm going to cut it out as neatly as I can. Here I have my photograph of a carpenter bee. Now in my assignment I need to write down some observations about this. So I'm going to notice that the bee seems a little bit hairy. It has two antennas. It has green eyes but no eyeballs. It has 1, 2, 3, I think it has 4 wings. It has these little hooks on the mouth. So there's a lot of things that I can notice if I look closely at my picture, and I'm going to write those down in my journal. After I've written those down in my journal, I'm going to glue my photograph to my journal. Now, I'd like to glue it on the front here, but I realize if I glue this on the front, something's going to be covered up. And if Eric sees that something covered up, he's going to get very frustrated because he's not going to know whose journal this is. So since I chose a really big picture, and I'm not allowed to cover up my name, I'm going to glue it on the back. So I've glued it in the middle. It's on very snugly, and I've left a little bit of space on each of the edges. That's going to be important when we make this journal final. So I chose a large picture for the back. I still want to put a picture on the front, so I'm going to find another picture for the front. Cut it out as neatly as I can. When I cut, if I make it curved and not straight, it actually glues better. And there you have it. So with your journal, cut neatly, use the glue sticks on the whole picture, keep your picture away from the edges, don't cover up your name, and leave a little space on the edges. Then you'll be able to decorate your own journal. If you have extra time, you may do more than 2 pictures, but get 1 picture on the front before you do anything else. Thank you. By the end of class.